Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, James. And let me get my notes out. I'll try and toss them over my shoulder, too, when the time comes. They all crop, monkey see, monkey do sometimes. Okay, so I'm really proud to be here, and I want to thank James for his wonderful retelling of the story of urban renewal in Strathcona. I want to thank Esther, who's not just an umbrella holder, but she's actually the project coordinator for this whole event. And she told me she was arranging the weather too, but usually it doesn't rain when she arranges the weather, but today, well, lots of liquid sunshine. And the Chinese often say, you wash the streets and then you have a fresh start. So it's my pleasure to be here to talk about the work of the people of Strathcona in the late 60s and 70s, and to see this work being celebrated and commemorated today with the unveiling of this mosaic, which will be installed on the sidewalk. Now, I personally would never have believed it when we started fighting urban renewal in the 50s and 60s, when my mother dragged me around as a whining kid to collect signatures and maybe a couple of bucks to help save our homes and our neighborhood. And we took a lot of abuse in that process too. I mean, there are always people who don't believe that you're really genuine and sincere about what you're trying to do. And that we would be here today to mark what is really an amazing success story in Canadian